Good morning, students. After the decline of Indus Valley civilization, the Aryan came to India and settled where the Indus Valley people were live and started the Vedic era. Let's know detail about the Vedic age. The Vedic age, which was extended from 1500 BC to 600 BC, it started after the invasion of Aryan into India. The word Aryan means noble character or freeborn. Linguistically, Aryan means those who speak Vedic language. They were semi-nomadic. Semi-nomadic means a group of people who migrate seasonally or temporarily dwelling for a period. According to Max Muller, the original home of Aryan were Central Asia or Eurasia. But according to Bal Gangadhar Tilak, the home of Aryan were Arctic region. And as per Dayaram Sahani, they were from Tibet. The entry of Aryan into India through Khyber Pass, which is in Hindu Kush range. They settled at where the Indus Valley people were live. The name of the place was Sapta Sindhu, or the land of seven rivers. According to literature, the Vedic age divided into two periods. The first one is the early Vedic age, or in Odia, Puratana Vedika Yuga, which is extant in between 1500 BC to 1000 BC. And the second one is the post Vedic age, or in Odia, Nutana Vedika Yuga, which is extant in between 1000 BC to 600 BC. Then we first learn about the early Vedic age. The early Vedic age extend in between 1500 BC to 1000 BC. It is also called as Rig Vedic age. Now we learn about the social life of early Vedic people. They belongs to tribal society, but they were advanced and organized. There is no caste system and no child marriage. The women were held high position in the society and they received education. The family were patriarchal. Patriarchal means father head of the family. They believe in Chaturasrama. Chaturasrama means the four stages age-based concept of Hinduism. The first stage is Brahmacharya or the student life, which is from birth to 25 years of age. Then the Gruhastya or the household life, which is from 25 years to 48 years of age. Then the Vanaspada or the retired life or the forest dweller, which is from 48 to 72 years of age. Then the Sannyasa or the renounced life, which is after 72. Then we know about the economy life of early Vedic people. The chief occupation of the early Vedic people were agriculture. The chief is called Gopati or the protector of cow. There is practice of shift cultivation at the time. Shift cultivation means in which a plot of land is cleared and cultivated for a short period of time. They know about copper and fire, but did not knowledge of iron. Then the political life of early Vedic period. The head of the village is called Gramani, and the head of the state is called as Rajan, and the kingship is hereditary. Then the religious life of early Vedic people. Indra was the greatest god of Aryan. Indra or Purandar, or Indra is the destroyer of Phat. They worship Agni, Varuna and Prithvi, or in a single sentence, they were worshipper of nature. Agni, intermediating between people and God. Savitri, the god of light. Gayatri Mantra composed during this period. Somo, the god of plant. Overall, they practice monotheism. Monotheism means believe in one god out of many gods. Then we learn about the later Vedic age. The later Vedic age extend in between 1000 BC to 600 BC. Now we know about the social life of later Vedic people. There is rigid caste system. The child marriage and dowry system were in practice. The Varna system based on nature of work. Polygamy was in practice. Polygamy means the practice of having more than one wife at the same time. Then we know about the religious life of later Vedic people. Prajapati or creator become the supreme god of later Vedic people. Vishnu and Shiva become the protector of the people. The Gotra system came into existence in this period. Towards the end of Vedic age, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata was composed by Valmiki and Vyasadeva respectively. Then we know about the economic life of later Vedic people. The livelihood of the people based on agriculture and plough cultivation. Mixed cultivation was in practice. Mixed cultivation means both agriculture and herding of animal. They knew about the use of iron, lead, silver, copper, gold, tin, etc. Then in the next video we discuss about the Vedic literature. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.